This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, I want to discuss few HID devices. So let's first just discuss what is HID. So HID is human interface devices, which are peripheral devices like keyboards and mice and game controllers, that allow human to interact with computers by sending input data. These devices follow the USB standard, meaning they are plug-and-play devices and they don't require any special drivers. So in context of ethical hacking, these devices can be programmed to perform keystroke injection. Over here you can see a few devices. These are all HID devices. So let's just discuss these devices, and starting from here, this is a small device which is DigiSpark, and it uses 80Tiny85 microcontroller, and we can program this device for keystroke injection. It's around $2 to $3. You can find it easily. And then we have Raspberry Pi Pico. We can use it for different purposes, but we can also use it as a HID device. So this is around $5 to $6. And then we have this cable. This is also a HID device. It looks like a normal cable, but over here we have a microcontroller on this side, and we can program this microcontroller to perform keystrokes. And then we have this device. It looks like a normal flash drive. Over here you can see, but this is also a HID device, and it has a Arduino microcontroller which can be programmed for keystrokes. And then we have two special devices over here you can see. So these are devices which can be programmed as well, and we can also perform live keystrokes on these two devices. So we can just connect it with the system and we can do live keystrokes. Over here you can see there is a ESP8266 microcontroller which we can program for live keystrokes, and we are also using Arduino Leonardo on this HID device. And then we have Cactus HID device which also has a live interface, and we can also program this device. So we can also use this device. This is Cactus HID. So these are few devices which we can program as a HID devices. So we have a complete dedicated course on all of these devices. So we are showing how to program these devices, all of these devices, and how to perform keystrokes on different systems. So you can find the link of that course in the description below, and you can check out that course. Thank you.